The 13th round of India-China Corps Commander talks began on Sunday morning in Moldo at the Chinese side of the line of actual control. The Indian and Chinese military leaders met after a 2-month-long gap to try and resolve the military standoff on the LAC in eastern Ladakh. Reports say the Indian side will be addressing the issues related to hot springs, other areas along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. Last month, India's External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar, urged the Chinese Foreign Minister to work together to end the disengagement issues in eastern Ladakh. The 12th round of talks took place on the 31st of July, days after which the two armies completed the disengagement process in Gogra. It was seen as a significant forward movement towards the restoration of peace and tranquility. Even though the military situation has eased between the two sides as compared to last year, the People's Liberation Army has still deployed more than 2 divisions and a number of combined arms brigades. The Indian Army also has mirrored the deployment. Till now, there have been disengagements at Pangong So, Gogra and Galwan. The troops are not in close proximity in the above 3 friction points, but hot springs has still not seen disengagement. The 13th round of talks coming at a very crucial time. Late last month, there were reports that close to 100 soldiers of China's People's Liberation Army had crossed India's line of actual control in the Barahoti sector in Uttarakhand. The incursion happened on the 30th of August, where after spending a few hours within Indian territory and damaging infrastructure, the Chinese troops went back. Chinese soldiers reportedly pulled back before the Indian police personnel could respond. Shortly after, border police personnel were deployed in the area. Soldiers of India and China, remember, clashed last year, resulting in the loss of lives on both sides. The clashes erupted after the unprovoked aggression by Chinese troops in Galwan Valley in Ladakh. It has been more than a year since the incident, but tensions continue to simmer between the two countries. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.